Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get this look of none other than the very stunning Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. This is how she was looking at the Ambani's wedding, and I got so many requests to recreate this look, so here's my version. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, the lenses that I'm wearing are from Swati Cosmetics. These are in the style Pearl. Swati is an amazing makeup artist herself, and she recently launched her business and was nice enough to send me 4 different styles of her lenses. These are all 6-month lenses, and if you want more information, you'll find it in the description box below. To prime my face, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil. This is a silicone-based primer, so it's going to fill in all your pores and make it super soft before you apply anything else over it. I'm using the e.l.f. orange crayon to neutralize and color correct all the dark circles, dark patches, as well as dark spots on my face. I'm going to blend it out using my finger and lightly set it with some airspun loose powder. You can use any loose powder that you have. That way it will not mix with the foundation that's coming up next. I get a lot of questions about setting the color corrector with powder before you apply foundation. Some of you are concerned that it might cake up. If you use very little powder, just enough to dust over the color corrector so it can absorb the extra creaminess and will not show orange after you apply the foundation, then it's okay. When you apply too much powder is when it'll cake up. So just make sure you apply very little and you'll be just fine. And for foundation, I'm using Smashbox Liquid Halo in number 5. I'm going to buff it out using a damp beauty sponge from Studio 35. To add some structure, I'm going to very lightly contour my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in bronze. It has to be very delicate because you can barely see any contour on her face. So just to add that light structure, I'm going to add very little of the product, and again I'm going to buff it out using a damp beauty sponge. But she definitely had visible highlights, so I'm using my current favorite concealer, the ColourPop No Filter in medium 28, to highlight the high planes of my face. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Press Powder in Golden Beige. I'm going to be using this shade from the Ardell Brow Defining Kit on my brows. Using my angled brush from Doe Color, I'm just going to be filling in the sparse areas. Her eye makeup was very simple. She had a soft brown smoky eye with well-defined crease. I'm going to be using the Boss palette from HipDot. I'm first taking Motivation with this definer brush, and I'm going to carve out my crease and outer corner. To soften this up, I'm taking Believe with a blending brush. I'm going to blend this out at the crease, and I'm going to start pulling some of the color onto my lid as well, and that's how you get the simplest brown smoky eyes. I'm going to be using Spotlight from the Sin Afterglow palette. This is from Urban Decay. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bones. For eyeliner, I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid liner in black. I'm curling my lashes before I attach falsies, and for false lashes, I'm using Ardell Natural Lashes in 110. And I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara from Rimmel. These are the Scandal Eyes Wow Wings, one of the new launches, and I'm really loving this mascara. And for my lower lashes, I always like to use something with a thinner wand, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Her blush was very light, so I'm using Kiss Off from Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. As a highlighter, I'm going to be using Sin only on the topmost point of my cheekbones as well as my nose to get that delicate glow. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this beautiful red color lipstick from Folklore. This is in VO1 Persian Red. And to set and seal my makeup, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray. And for the final finishing touches, I have my bindi on, I have my jewelry, sari and gajra on. This beautiful jewelry is from Flipkart, and this stunning sari was a gift from my mother for my last year's birthday, and she bought it from Manyavar in Bangalore. This is such a simple yet stunning look, you guys, and there's so many weddings coming up, so it's so easy to pull off, especially those brown smoky eyes. It looks great on anybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products in the description box below. Also listed there are my social media accounts, so make sure you're following me on Instagram as well as Facebook. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.